So to pause your YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on your profile picture, and then you want to click on settings. On the settings page, at the membership, at the base plan, you want to click on the manage, and then on this page, you want to adjust the time to how many weeks or days you want to pause your YouTube TV base plan by sliding this red mark to the left or to the right. And after that, after you are sure on how many weeks that you want to pause your billing, you want to click on pause. And after you click on pause, you are good to go. Your subscription has been turned off and will active again later to your desired date. So, in the time of the pause, you cannot use your YouTube TV base plan, but you also don't need to pay anything or worried about auto renewal. But if you want to turn off or freeze another YouTube TV plan, channel, or network, like for example, if you want to pause this NFL Sunday Ticket, HBO Max, Paramount Plus, and so on, unfortunately, you cannot do that. And then the only way to do it is to cancel the specific plan by clicking right here on cancel. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to pause or freeze YouTube TV subscription plan. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.